Imagine this. You walk into a funeral. The room is silent. People are crying. You step closer to the coffin, and when you look inside, it's your own face staring back, cold, lifeless, forgotten. What would you do if you saw your own funeral? This is the story of Ethan. He's 22, young, full of energy. But Ethan has a problem. He thinks time will last forever. Yes, he wastes hours scrolling on his phone, but it's more than that. He sleeps late, skips workouts, avoids hard work. He makes excuses. He says, "I'll start tomorrow. I have time." We all know someone like Ethan. Maybe we are a little like Ethan too. One night, something strange happens. Ethan dreams of a funeral. The air is heavy. The room feels cold. Candles flicker. Shadows move on the walls. People stand with bowed heads. Ethan walks closer to the coffin. Step by step, his heart races. And when he looks inside, he freezes. It's him. His own lifeless body lying there, pale skin, silent lips, the world moving on without him. He wakes up, breathing fast, sweat dripping, heart pounding. It felt so real. But was it just a dream or something more? The next day, Ethan can't focus. The image of his own face in the coffin keeps flashing in his mind. He tries to shake it off, but inside, a voice whispers, "What if I die young? What if I'm wasting my only chance?" For days, he fights this thought. Part of him is scared, but another part says, "Relax, it's just a dream." So slowly, he slips back into old habits, sleeping in, skipping work, losing hours. But then the dream returns. Again, the same funeral, the same coffin, the same face, his own face. But this time, something is different. The calendar pages around the coffin are burning. The clock on the wall ticking faster and faster. And his parents standing older, weaker. He wakes up shaking, and it doesn't stop. Every time Ethan wastes too much time, the dream comes back. And one night, the dream changes forever. Ethan walks into the funeral again. He looks at the coffin, but this time, his dead self suddenly opens its eyes and whispers, "This is your future, if you keep wasting time." The corpse slowly sits up. Its hollow voice echoes, "Every second you waste brings you closer to this coffin." Ethan screams and wakes up. His heart feels like it will burst. Now he knows this isn't just a dream. It's a warning. From that night, Ethan changes. He starts waking up earlier. He begins working on his goals. He calls his parents more often. He even exercises and reads again. He realizes something powerful. Time is life. Wasting time is wasting life. And psychologists explain why this happens. Our brain loves comfort. That's why we choose the couch instead of the book. That's why we say tomorrow instead of today. Psychologists call this temporal discounting. We value comfort now and undervalue the future. But the truth is, comfort steals our time. Discipline gives us life. And in Ethan's journey, 3 English phrases come alive. Wasting time means losing minutes and hours with no benefit. Better late than never. It's never too late to start. And make every second count. Use time wisely. So, my friend, don't wait for your own funeral dream to wake you up. Stop wasting time. Your future self is waiting. Here's your small exercise. Write a sentence with one of today's phrases in the comments. For example, I want to make every second count. Now, it's your turn. And if this story gave you goosebumps, hit like, subscribe, and join me for more life-changing stories.